So let's do some HealthQuest training on the product database. So here we have a list of all of our products. We can go to list and look at them from a drop-down list. We can find products, so we click the find button, we click in the product name field, and it gives us a drop-down list where we can type the first few letters of a certain name. In this case, we'll choose 5HTP, and then we either press enter or go up to the top right of the screen and press continue. So here we've found 5HTP 30s, and the cost price for us here is $29.75. So it automatically adds tax to it and adds the tax amount, which is 10%. That can of course be changed to suit your country. So what we have in here, we need to put in the preferred retail price. The reason for this is we found a lot of practitioners wanted to round up their products. So instead of having $49.09, you can put $49.10. You can transfer by pressing this button here all of the suggested retail price to the preferred retail price column. So to finish off the product, you do need to have something in the preferred retail field for it to appear on your receipts. So our global markup on general products is 1.5. You can override that with a single markup of, say you wanted to have 1.6 as a markup on this product. You could put 1.6. If you have nothing in the preferred retail field, it'll work it out at 52.36. So we'll just take that out of there. We've got our suggested retail $49.09, and we'll just round that up to $49.10. And there we have our product 5HTP. So the brand over here is Dr. Vera's, distributor Quest for Health, manufacturer Bioconcepts, and you can also put a particular code for that product. So let's have a look at, say, another product. So now I'm just going to press find, and we're going to have a look for bioactive lipids. So I typed the bio in there. We can go down and click bioactive lipids 120s, press enter or continue to pull up all of the product details. So we are in the edit details field. So you can go to the product details, and that'll be locked so you make less errors changing stuff in the products. So here we've got our bioactive lipids. So you'll see this is an Orthoplex white label product, the distributor. So something to note differently about the distributor here. This product we can get from 3 different distributors. So what we need to do is put them with a carriage return. So if we didn't have Oborn in there, we just had Quest for Health, we would need to put a carriage return and then Oborn. So this way, if you've got that list broken down between 3 different suppliers, when you are doing product ordering, it can order from any of those 3 suppliers. So that's quite a handy thing when you've got a product that you can get from different places. So another thing we should look at with our product database is herbal medicines, because there's a few different things about herbal medicines. So let's find one in our database. So we'll click in there and we'll find Taraxacum, which is dandelion root. So you'll see in there we've got both the botanical name, and we've done a carriage return. So we've pressed enter, and then we've put dandelion root. So this way, when you're making a herbal prescription, you will be able to find that herb either by botanical name or common name. So that's quite a handy thing to do there. So also in there, we've got this marked as a herbal medicine. So when we mark something as a herbal medicine, it doesn't come up on receipts. So this is handy. Your receipt list isn't as long with 100 different herbal medicines in there. Sorting through your drop-down list, they'll just appear when you're making herbal scripts. So the other things that are great to put in there are the batch number and expiry. So I've got the bottle here, so I'll put the batch number is 12680, and the expiry we've got there is 20th of the 11, 2019. You can put ratio, so it's a 1 to 2, and you can put whether it's wild crafted or organic. So in this case it's organic. So you can put a specific markup for herbs. In this case we've got a markup of 100% in there. And you can also put the particular product ordering code from your supplier. So in this case, with Optimal products ordering through Oborn, we put the particular code for that product in there. So please watch the other videos coming up on the product database.